My name is Bill Deen. I'm with the University of Guelph, Department of Plant Agriculture, and in my role there I'm a cropping systems agronomist. So I do work on field crop systems, corn, soybean, wheat, looking at issues related to productivity, sustainability, soil quality, that sort of thing. Some of the recent work we've been doing over the last increasingly last 5 to 10 years is looking at this question of the value of system diversity, particularly crop rotation diversity. If you look at Ontario, you look at every other province in Canada, we've seen a decline in rotation diversity. In Ontario, we have seen a movement towards corn, soybean, wheat. A lot of our other cereal species and forages have come out of the rotation. To a certain extent, we're struggling to keep wheat acreages up, and so increasingly our rotation is dominated by corn, soybean. Data from long-term trials that I manage, that Dave Hooker manages as well, would indicate that that corn, soybean rotation has some problems. Problems in terms of a yield lag relative to more complex rotations, problems in terms of a lack of resiliency to weather extremes, problems in terms of soil quality, water holding capacity, and a number of other things. But it is our most common rotation, so farmers perceive it as being the most economical. But I think we have to look at, is that indeed the case? Is there an argument to be made to add diversity to our corn soybean system? And so our data would suggest that, you know, if you start thinking about the rotation effect that something like winter wheat provides in a corn soybean system, it may make economic sense to incorporate winter wheat back into the rotation or keep it in the rotation. It certainly stabilizes yield. It adds a number of environmental goods and services benefits. And so a lot of my work, like I said, is looking at making arguments for diversification of our system. If anybody's interested in more information, they can contact myself and I can put you in touch with someone who can provide what you're looking for, or I can help you personally.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.